Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So for today we are going to talk about the Samsung's Galaxy A6, which is coming after a month or so, and it is going to be a fantastic phone with that budget price range, and it has been leaking out so much this past week. So we have got a lot of specs and information about the A6 Plus, so let's begin. So finally Infinity Display is making its way towards more and more budget phones after A8 and A8 Plus, and now it's coming on to A6 and A6 Plus, and they are also coming with that 18.5:9 aspect ratio display, and that is going to be gorgeous one because it's the budget section now that is coming with that 18:9 aspect ratio with that Infinity Display design that is gorgeously known for its beauty and all. So A6 and A6 Plus is powered by Snapdragon 625 in US and Exynos 7870 in other parts of the world. A6 comes with 3 gigs of RAM and A6 Plus with 4 gigs. Both of them are having 32 gigs of base model. Both of them come with pre-installed Android 8.0 Oreo, and Android P is surely gonna be the update for A6 and A6 Plus. A6 comes with that triple camera, 2 on the front for selfie and a single camera on the back of the phone, and A6 Plus comes with quad cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. So accordingly, due to these specs, we can suggest that A6 and A6 Plus are going to be the best budget phones on the market for at least 6 months or 1 year, as they are giving the best value for money and everything that comes with a flagship device, that Infinity Display, dual cameras, and a nice battery that is 3000 mAh, or in A6 Plus that is going to be more than 3000 mAh, and I think that would be enough for a normal user, just like for using it more than a day. So do you consider buying A6 and A6 Plus as your budget phones if you consider yourself into that market?